sun, forged in fire, trained to run. A golden knight, the chosen one, standing tall till war is done. Lightning courses through my veins, fate has bound me to this chain. Yet in the stars I hear your name, my brother lost, my guiding flame. You gave your life, they called you traitor, yet I still fight to prove them wrong. I walk the path, no step is weaker. Through every battle I grow strong. Roar my heart like a lion's cry, through the storm, through the endless sky. For the name of Aiolos, I rise, I shine. Brother, I swear, your light is mine. Shadows whisper, doubt still lingers, yet your touch still guides my fingers. Through the darkness, through the pain, I strike with fire, break the chains. They'll know the truth, I stand unshaken. With every blow I prove my name. I guard the weak, I fight for justice. The gold saint's oath will never wane. Roar my heart like a lion's cry, through the storm, through the endless sky. For the name of Aiolos, I rise, I shine. Brother, I swear, your light is mine. Aiolos, I hear you still. Your dream, your faith, it lives through me. No chains, no gods, no fate will bend me.